The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, dual front airbags, air conditioning front, cruise control, automatic stability control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, trip odometer, clock, tachometer, power driver mirror, tinted glass, vanity mirrors, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, telescopic steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.